All right, Math 1. To calculate the charge, this is the homework help for Wednesday. Sorry about that. To calculate the charge for a load of bricks, including delivery, the Pine Ridge Company uses this function right here. C is equal to 0.42b plus 25, where C is the charge and B is the number of bricks. Okay? What is the meaning of the slope and the y-intercept? Okay, the number of bricks. So look, the slope here is 0.42. We're talking about charge is 42 cents per brick. Okay? And if it's talking about if this is the starting amount, you automatically have to pay that $25. So A, it says the slope, the delivery per charge, the delivery charge per load. The y-intercept is the cost to rent the truck. The slope, excuse me, the total delivery charge, and the y-intercept is the cost to rent the truck. Um, the slope, the total cost of the bricks. The y-intercept is the cost to rent the trucks. Slope, the cost per brick. Here we go. The y-intercept is the cost to rent the truck. That is D is the correct answer. The next one. The following graph depicts the weight of an individual as a function of age. All right. What is the range of the function? Your range is talking about your y values, your pounds. Okay. That's what it's talking about. Range is y. So it goes from 0 here, and the highest is up in here somewhere. Okay. Do you see how this is the highest point somewhere in here? So it's going from 0 to this highest point here, which is 100 and some change. Okay. Has to be 100 plus. All right. And y is in the middle. And it's between less than equal to, less than equal to. So it's from 0 pounds to 90 pounds. No. And then it's got pounds a year. No, that's wrong. It's from 0 years to 90 years. 0 years, 90 is somewhere in here. From 8 pounds, and it could be 8. This right here very well could be 8 because it doesn't hit 0 right here completely. So 8 is a possible answer, okay, to 110. Okay, this is 50, this is 100, this is 150, 110 is somewhere down in here. So no. And 8 to 180. This is 150, 180. Yeah, that's about right. This could possibly be 180. So D is your solution there. What is the average range between 1 and 4? So you got two ordered pairs. The first X value is 1. The second X value is 4. So 1 in the table, the Y value is 100. 4 in the table is going to be 1600. Okay, so now you find the slope by using slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So on the top, this is 1600 minus 100. And on the bottom, it's 4 minus 1. So this gives you 1500 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Okay? So now you have to choose the best answer here. Okay? All right, let's look at this one. The perimeter of the rectangle P is equal to 292. Okay? The length of the rectangle L is 4 feet less than 5 times the width. So it's 5W minus the 4. Okay? And this is W. All right. So the formula for a perimeter is P is equal to 2W, add these two W's together, plus 2L. Okay? Add the lengths together. So let's substitute. P is 292, 2W, and plus 2, and my L is 5W minus 4. So here, when I do this, I use distributive property first. Let's just bring down to 2W. This gives me 10W. This gives me minus 8. Combine like terms. This gives me 12W minus 8. Okay? All right. So now I'm going to add 8 on both sides. So when I get this, this gives me 300, right? And this gives me 12. Okay? So now I'm going to divide 300 divided by 12, and that gives me 25. So W is 25. If W is 25, then what's the length? So substitute it in. 5 times 25 minus the 4. So type that in. 5 times 25 minus 4. And that's 121. The length is 121. So that's A. Okay. All right. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Please make sure that if you're in my 6th period class, you need to make sure that you do the warm-up for tomorrow, since I'm not going to see you all tomorrow. You need to make sure it says, what is f of negative 2 for the function f of x is equal to 2 times 3 to the x power. So that means you substitute this negative 2 in. X here is negative 2. Okay? So plug it in. You have 2 times 3 to the negative 2 power. So do this first. So this is 2 times 1 over 3 to the second power. So when you do this, this gives you 2 on the top. This gives you 3 times 3 is 9. So you get 9 on the bottom. 2 ninths. All right, here, they're equal to each other. So that means these exponents have to be the same. So set them equal to each other. 8x minus 13 is equal to 3x plus 42. All right, so we solve for x. Move the x's to the same side. When you move the x's to the same side, this is what you get. This is gone, got 42. We're going to add 13 to both sides. This is gone. We have 5x is equal to 5 here, 4 here. Divide both sides by 5. This gives you x is equal to 9. Okay? Also, please make sure that you factor this out, okay? This is a perfect square. So you got 2x, 9, 9. One's a plus, one's a minus. Okay? Anything else that I can take out? No. Okay? Elimination method. All right, so we got to eliminate one of these. So I'm going to eliminate the y's. Multiply this by 2. So this gives me 10x plus 2y is equal to 24. And bring this over. Negative 3x plus 2y is equal to a negative 2. So now I'm going to eliminate by subtracting. So when I subtract, 10 minus a negative 3 is plus a positive. This is going to be 13x. 2y minus 2y, that's gone. 24 minus a negative 2, that's plus about, that's 26. We divide both sides by 13. We know what this is. 26 divided by 13 is 2. So my x value is equal to 2. So now we figure out y. Choose one of the other equations. I'm going to choose the first. 5x plus y is equal to 12. plug in 2. It's 5 times 2 plus y equals 12. This gives me 10 plus y is equal to 12. Subtract 10 on both sides. This gives me y is equal to 2. So where does it cross? My x value is 2. My y value is 2. This is the solution. Okay? All right, y'all. Please make sure that you study your note cards. The packet should be 100% completed. Okay? All right. Have a good one. Bye.